Pwede na.
Nakagos na eh.
Trinidad, yung power na po.
City pa kasi.
To Peralta, back to Trinidad. To
Nice.
take the ball by Mr. Kelvin. Kelvin again, all the way leads Love is good. Back to back shot, grabbing block is there, Kelvin. Peralta, to Orion. Orion again. To Budak from the baseline. To Peralta.
Laki ni Jay mo, ano? Di mo...
Ay lalo na
Same
yung
ball.
kasagsagan yan, nung payat pa yan. Sumasalpak pa yan.
Mabigat ngayon.
Orion is mounting the ball.
Tabaan eh.
To Orion from the center. Lays it up. So good, but there's a foul. Drop number 11. Beto siya. 2 free throw by Mr. Orion.
Titigas ng katawan na... Sakit na na.
First throw in. No good.
Gila si Pacquiao. Gila Pacquiao.
Second throw in.
Gagaling sa bato.
Good.
Layo na sa layo.
Kelvin brings down the ball. Kelvin again to Garcia.
Traveling.
Third number is a traveling violation.
Kumakbog kasi ito eh.
Orion slowly brings down the ball.
Nag-hesitate eh. Dapat pang 3
Orion
points
again,
din.
challenge Mr. Kelvin. Orion to Peralta. Pull up jumper it to Peralta. 3 points. Garcia to Bautista to Kelvin. Kelvin again. Same ball. Garcia recovering the ball to Bautista. Penetrate. Kelvin through. Basic basketball and drop the third. Bautista. Orion challenge Mr. Kelvin. Orion again. To Orion. Full of jumper. No good. Recover the ball by Mr. Orion to Grata. Jump from the point territory. Wow! What a shot! Nakakadalawa na si Mr. Budak Peralta. Boundary. Ganado si Mr. Budak.
Ano nangyari? Bakit yun?
Orion to Budak. Break. Lays it up on the center. Running score 14-11 in favor of Cagayan. Kelvin challenge by Mr. Trinidad to Bautista. Bautista to Mendoza. Turnover. Substitution. Garcia. Desiderio. Orion dribbling the ball. Orion again, setting the blade. To Orion, to Peralta. Peralta again, jump on the by territory. So good job to find the play ball to Mr. Budak. To Peralta, jump, no good again. They bound the ball by Mr. Nagu. To Kelvin. Kelvin again, bring down the ball. Double team, challenge by Mr. Peralta and Trinidad. We'll pass up the ball to Mr. Trinidad. Trinidad, drop off the area, lays it up is good. Nagu, foul ka